udo dịrị gị onye ọhịa ọma na-adị mma na-ege anyị ntị n'ụbọchị nke taata. Biko asị m gị na esokwa m ka welcome to Igbo Channel TV official YouTube channel ebe eziokwu na-adị. Taata ịma na ọbụrụzi enwe mgbe m nwetara just join the about section of this channel nene the post ewetara m video sị gị na Akwa Okuko has admitted that na gịnị mere not the guilty. Akwa Okuko has admitted fully that not the guilty. So mgbe made the admitting, due to know some mana ha hapụwa ihe dị n'ihe ta na mba ka ọ bụrụ anwụnta. Now ka m gụpụtara unu the court sentence unu fụ ka esi wee sentence Akwa Okuko n'ụbọchị nke taata. So for ndị na-atụ asị na Akwa Okuko ya serve 20 years 5 years, no, gee ntị cool down nke the court terms and conditions, because Akwa Okuko was denied bail on several occasions. So and also have go 1 year already. Also have go 1 year. Instead of him and punishment Akwa Okuko was able 2 years or 3 years. As the court continues the trial and the detention and on the prolonged justice question eager on. So a webu that the court sentence to Guinea. Man also 1 year Akwa Okuko serve. Man also 1 year hanogo nakaha. So Akwa Okuko is sentencing to extra 11 months in prison. Guinea Kanku. The court sentence about 11 months in prison. Now, after serving his prison terms, he will be ordered to do the following, because failing to comply to this, Akwa Okuko will go back to prison. Fondo to failing to comply with this, Akwa Okuko back to prison. Before I put on the blog as a bully news, this is where you will get the original news. Original from the source, from the court. Also, someone with video here now, but that video here also someone where you have to go from the source. Can say we're telling you this video. So after that, I say again, he will become the ambassador for youth and reorientation. Youth reorientation. In other words, he will begin to preach peace, begins to preach akajaja and ebitono money. He will begin to preach equal right and justice. He will begin to, go youth. There are other ways to make the right thing, to earn money right. Number 2, his Oba shrine will be destroyed. Now the court is giving you the full notice that his Oba shrine will be destroyed after Akwa Okuko serve chago. So they will not destroy it now until Osavu chapata. Then Okpolo Hajebia demolish that shrine and not his house, not his hotel. Listen, not his house, not his hotel. Yani bigi kitabo original news, undiluted, unfiltered. Then number 3, he will no longer practice okite and without and also administering such charms. Omameze anything diko okite, awele, ibobo, yagdua komili, name them. Every eating obana agwa diko ogwego, because Akwa Okuko was found guilty. He pleaded guilty to practicing of rituals and other things. He pleaded guilty in a court. You have to go for no try deceive yourself and also can you say non guilty. Non guilty on there for 5 years. Court and read. That is what I just want you to know. Now, on the number 4, upon completion his imprisonment, he will make public statements denouncing okite and such charm practice in Anambra State. He will denounce everything basalo okite. Oye deny imago. Ibiakwa boy na phone na anything obuno may beyond this in 10 years in prison. Then after that, on the 5th one, or say he will serve his imprisonment in Oka Correctional Center. So Akwa Okuko will be transferred to Oka prison to go and serve there officially. So after today, Akwa Okuko Amampatazi cell again. He will, as I'm talking to you, so time I'm making this video, he is on his way to Oka prison. So Oye Yakwa Green. After serving up Tazia, all the following things will be done to him. Or as can we tell you, sharp. So any other thing, this is the original news. God the one.